Hello, everyone. My name is Alex Ramon, and I'm thrilled to have the opportunity to talk to you today about Coursiv AI, an innovative training course designed to unlock the potential of artificial intelligence. In this video, I will explore the key features of the course, what you can expect to learn, and how it can empower you in your AI journey. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, I will show you how Coursiv AI has something for everyone. So let's dive in and discover the exciting world of AI together. While this course covers 7 different applications, including Stable Diffusion, Claude 3.7, DeepSeek, ChatGPT, Jasper AI, Midjourney AI, and DALL-E, I'll be focusing more in depth on training with ChatGPT and Stable Diffusion. Stable Diffusion, an open-source image generation model that creates detailed images from text prompts using diffusion techniques. It's customizable for various artistic styles. For example, it can generate a futuristic cityscape, fantasy creatures like dragons, or surreal images like a cat in a spacesuit. It's useful for artists, marketing teams, and game developers needing visual assets. I want to show you the best way to provide Stable Diffusion an effective prompt. Here are the steps you want to consider. 1. Subject. What is the main focus? Second, action or state. What is it doing? Third, setting. Where is it? 4. Style. How should it look artistically? 5. Mood. What is the overall feeling? Next, you can include a CFG scale that typically ranges from 1 to 30. Low values 1 to 6. The AI has more creative freedom, potentially producing more varied but less prompt-accurate results. Medium values, 7 to 11. A good balance between prompt adherence and creativity. High values, 12 to 20. Stricter adherence to the prompt, potentially at the cost of image quality or creativity. Very high values, 21 to 30. Extremely literal interpretation, but may lead to oversaturated or unnatural-looking images. I personally think that scales 7 through 15 work the best. I also learned about adding samplers to your prompt. Here are some popular samplers. Euler A, a great all-rounder balancing speed and quality perfect for beginners. DDIM, fast and capable of producing high-quality, detailed images with sharp clarity. LMS strikes a good balance between detail and speed, ideal for fine textures. KU Euler, similar to Euler A but may yield more creative results. PLMS, an enhanced version of LMS, offering better stability and quality for longer generations. You must also include the steps. Steps control the image refinement process. Image with more steps shows more detail and clarity. Steps range from 1 to 100. I like to use between 50 to 80 steps for achieving high quality. Now let me show you how I combined everything. In the prompt box, I entered the following request. Create a portrait of a scientist using 80 steps, a CFG scale of 9, and the Euler a sampler. I was thrilled to learn how to craft effective prompts in Stable Diffusion to generate stunning images. This course provided me with valuable concepts for using ChatGPT effectively. Here's how I've applied what I learned to my daily routine. First, what is ChatGPT? An advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI, designed to understand and generate human-like text based on input prompts. Uses a technique called transformer architecture to generate coherent responses. How can you use ChatGPT content creation? Generate articles, blogs, or marketing copy. Brainstorming. Help with ideas for projects, stories, or business strategies. Tutoring. Provide explanations and answers for educational subjects. Coding assistance. Aid in writing, debugging, and explaining code snippets. Conversational partner. Engage in casual conversations or role-playing scenarios. Here are general steps specifically focused on prompting when using ChatGPT. 1. Identify your goal. Determine what information or assistance you need from ChatGPT. 2. Start with a clear prompt. Write a concise and straightforward question or request to guide the AI. 3. Provide context. Include any relevant background information that can help the AI understand your request better. Specify details. If applicable, mention specific requirements, such as tone, length, or format of the response. 5. Ask follow-up questions. After receiving a response, ask clarifying questions or request additional details if needed. 6. Refine your prompt. If the response isn't satisfactory, rephrase your question or add more context to improve clarity. 7. Iterate. Continue the dialogue by building on previous responses, using insights gained to ask more targeted questions. 8. Use examples. When necessary, provide examples to illustrate what you're looking for in the response. 9. Be patient. Understand that it may take a few tries to get the desired output, and don't hesitate to experiment with different prompts. 10. Review and apply. Once you receive a satisfactory response, review it and apply the information to your task or project. As I wrap up this video, I want to thank you for exploring the capabilities of Coursiv AI with me. I hope you found it insightful and that you'll experiment with these techniques in your own projects. Your feedback is invaluable, so please share your thoughts. I'm excited to incorporate what I've learned into my daily routine to boost my productivity and tackle new challenges with confidence. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.